EduKaushal welcomes you to a session on understanding students' underperformance and solution for their better performance. In a class, we find high, average, and low performers. High performers are those who complete their notes, assignments on time and get good grades in tests and exams. They perform consistently. Average performers do not perform consistently in tests and exams. Low performing students find difficulty in keeping pace with academics and cannot complete their notes, assignments throughout the year. They get low grade in tests and exams. Let us look at the reasons why these average and low performers are not able to perform in their academics. The general reasons given are that they are lazy, they lack concentration, they are not interested in studies or not supported at home, and the new trends are citing the psychological reasons such as LD. The most important reason is lack of academic skills in these students. Listening, writing, speaking, and reading are the fundamental skills needed for better performance. And now, let us look at this number. Can these two digits be interchanged? Yes is the common answer, isn't it? Let us come to this later. EduKaushal has specified and simplified learning. Let's see how learning happens. How did we learn our mother tongue? The first process of learning starts with listening. We listen to the language first and therefore able to reproduce. After listening to the sound, one can reproduce that is speaking. Listening and speaking are auditory skills. The next skill that need to be acquired is reading. Reading is a process of decoding symbols to sound. Later comes writing. Writing is a process of encoding sound or thought as symbols in a language. Reading and writing are visual skills. We have come across many audio-visual programs. For any skill to develop, there needs to be practice. That is kinesthetic. EduKaushal has an integrated approach of audio, visual and kinesthetic skills. The whole process is based on psychological principles. This integration is a must for any skill to be developed. We need to listen, see and perform. Now let us come to mathematics. Earlier we saw number 22. We thought that the two digits can be interchanged. If we see these numbers in the visual form, we will appreciate that the ones and tens place are different and cannot be interchanged. Therefore, visual discrimination plays an important role in developing mathematical concepts. EduKaushal is developed on these lines. EduKaushal has developed a product for class 1 to 5 students of Karnataka State Board who are studying in Kannada or English medium. The subjects covered are Kannada, English, Mathematics and Environmental Science of Karnataka State Board textbook. Advantages of EduKaushal. It improves self-confidence, memory and grasping, focus and concentration in the student. It develops spoken English, pronunciation and fluency, visual concepts of mathematics. Student will be ready for the next grade, learn question and answer on their own, improves academic performance. EduKaushal app can be used on Android mobile, tab and also on Windows desktop. App is available on Google Play. The concept is developed by group of teachers with 45 plus years of collective experience, out of which 30 years of classroom teaching itself, have conducted more than 100 training programs for teachers and worked with LDs and underperformers. On behalf of EduKaushal, I thank you for watching the video. To brighten your child's future, download EduKaushal app now.